I'm really excited to share with you today the latest addition to our Incredi range, peat-free expandable Incredicoir. It's actually a byproduct of the coconut industry and it's sustainably sourced. Say goodbye to back-breaking bags of bulky compost. Incredicoir blocks are really lightweight and take up a fraction of space in the greenhouse. All you have to do is mix this block with water and it'll make up to the equivalent of 10 litres of compost. They're really easy to make up. Now let me show you exactly how it's done. Simply open the bag and place it in a bucket. Next, add 5 litres of water and leave it to soak for 10 minutes. The coir block will then absorb and gradually start to expand. After 10 minutes, you can begin to work through the block with your hands, breaking it up to a fine texture. As with all composts, I find it a good idea to wear a pair of gloves. Coir itself actually doesn't contain that many nutrients, so it's a good idea to add some slow release fertiliser such as Incredibloom or Incredicoir. This will feed your plants throughout the season. You now have the perfect mix for optimum plant growth. pH neutral with excellent water retention and superb drainage. From sowing seeds or potting up your plug plants or even growing those containers on the patio. Wherever you use it in the garden, you can be sure of great results.